Report your outage in seconds with the SWEC IL app. Download the app free on Google Play or from the App Store. First, enter your account number and password and hit Login. If you don't have a password, create one using the My Account tab at sweci.com. If you have multiple accounts, locate the account that is without power. Once you've located it, swipe left across your account to reveal 3 icons. Tap the middle icon, the lightning bolt in a triangle. Next, enter your contact phone number for a call back. Then activate the slider if you would like a callback, and check yes to confirm your power is off. Finally, provide any relevant details in the comments section, such as a line down or a limb on the line. When you're done, tap Report an Outage. The app will confirm your outage has been reported and notify us that your account is without power.